Hello everybody, you are welcome to another video. Today we are going to be starting our Excel tutorial series. I like to say that my videos are going to be in shorts, okay, and we are going to work from the beginning level down to the advanced level of Excel. So in today's video we are going to be looking at the uses of Excel, Microsoft Excel. As we all know, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application that allows you to format, allows you to organize, and also to analyze data. So everything concerning data can be done on Microsoft Excel. Now, as a business owner or as a business executive, you can use Excel to budget, analyze, spot trends in your business data, and also to report whatever findings or insights that you get from those data. Now, in today's video, we are also going to be looking at the quick access toolbar and the ribbon menu. Okay, so the quick access toolbar. When we talk about the quick access toolbar, the quick access toolbar is a small customizable toolbar at the top of the Microsoft Excel sheets, okay, with the windows. And what it does is that it contains frequently used commands, okay, the commands are used frequently. Now this is how you can be able to customize the quick access toolbar. When you come to this downward arrow, okay, you click on it. Okay, so these are the frequently used commands. So like for instance, in this case we have 3 of them. Okay, you have the save, you have the undo, and then you have the redo. Okay, if you click downward here, you can see this is on to undo, and then this is to redo. So these are the 3 commands that are here. So if you want to customize it, let's say you want to add new tools to these previous ones, you are going to click on the new. Okay, so this new here is to create a new worksheet. Okay, and then if you want the open command, you can click on it, and then you can see. So when I click any of the commands here, that command is automatically added to the previous ones. And if I want to delete it, I want to remove it, I can click it back. You see it has been removed. And then I can also click here, you can see it has been removed. So that is how you can be able to customize the quick access toolbar. Now we want to talk about the ribbon menu. Okay, the ribbon menu. Now the ribbon menu is a part of the Excel application. Now to access the ribbon menu, this is the ribbon menu. Okay, so now in the ribbon menu you have the file, the home tab, the insert tab, down to the power pivot tab. So there are basically 10 tabs on the ribbon menu. Now the file is a kind of a backstage view of all the important commands that are related to that particular file. In the file menu, you can be able to save the file. Okay, you can also save as, and then you can be able to print, export the file into other formats. Okay, you can publish it to Microsoft accounts. So also you can create a new file, open a previous file, and other necessary information about the particular file. All of this you can do it in the file menu. Now the home tab is actually a very essential tab, in the sense that it contains the commands that are frequently used, okay, in Excel. So as you can see, by default, anytime you open the Excel application, it automatically opens in the home tab by default. So you as the user now determines based on which command you want to use to take it to any other tab. So this is the home tab. With this, you can be able to change your the font size of your um, of your of your data. You can be able to change the font name. You can even do the copy and paste. So you have the clipboard, you have the fonts, the alignment, the number, the styles, the cells, and the editing. If you want to edit, you know, the data, you can do all this in the home tab. Now in the insert tab, just as the name implies, in this particular tab you can insert pictures, you can insert the pivot table, you can insert charts, you can insert shapes and screenshots, a lot of things, spark lines, filters, links, all of text. You can insert all this in the spreadsheet. Now the page layout is it allows you as a user to customize the layout of the spreadsheet, okay, to customize it to your own satisfaction. Like here you have the themes, so you can choose any of the themes you want. You see as I hover around each of the themes, the spreadsheet window changes. Okay, you can see as it changes. So then you can also change the color, the fonts, the effects. You can also change the margin. If this is not too well for you, you can take a wide margin or you can take a narrow margin, depending on your choice as a user. You can also do some little adjustment to the size of to the height and the width of the application windows. And then you can send backward when you start working with objects. You can send them to the back, you can bring them to the front. So all this you can do in the page layout. Now when we come to the formulas tab, formula tabs contain everything that has to do with formula, both arithmetic formula, financial formulas, text functions, date and time functions, mathematical functions. All of them can be found on the formula tab. Now when you get to the data tab, the data tab allows you to manage data in the current spreadsheet, okay, within the file. So it allows you, so if in this particular data tab, you can get data from outside the Excel sheets, okay, depending on the location. You get it from Access application, you can get it from the web, you can get it from text or any other sources. And then also you can filter and sort in the data tab. You can use the tools, okay, available in terms of converting from text to column. All this can be done in the data tab. Now in the reviews tab, it gives you allowance to perform various controlling functions, okay, such as checking the accessibility, okay, you check also the spelling, you check the thesaurus, that is having to do with words, okay, and then you can also look up words from the internet. You can also translate. All this can be done in the review. And then the view tab gives you the option to alter the view of the spreadsheet. So if you want to alter it, so like this is the normal view, you can give it a page break and preview. You can break the page or you can bring it back to the normal view. Okay, you can change the page layout, you can give it your own custom views, and then also you can zoom in and zoom out. You can also switch windows. If let's say you have multiple windows, multiple Excel windows, okay, like you have a book 1 and book 2, you can switch in between the windows in the view tab. Then in the help actually gives you assistance from Microsoft support, so you can provide feedback, okay, and then you can contact the support, you can get training, and then you can also receive support too, and receive feedback from other users. And then the Power Pivot, this is the data modeling aspects of Microsoft Excel. So it allows you to model your data sets. You detect relationships between tables in the data, and then also you can add certain parameters, okay, to the data model. You can add Excel tables to the data model, and then try to find out the relationship between them. So all this you can do in the Power Pivot tab. Let me take this out. Okay, so these are what you can be able to do in the ribbon menu. Now there's something you have to know also about the ribbon menu. Okay, you can collapse the ribbon menu. You can also restore it. Now, in order to collapse the ribbon menu, you right click. When you right click on an in an empty space in the ribbon menu, you can collapse it. When you click it, you can see that it has gone. Okay, and to restore it, you simply click on just a second, you simply click on it. Okay, and then it has been restored. You can see that. So, and then also, apart from that, you can perform, you can auto hide the ribbon, automatically hide the ribbon. And then when you automatically hide it, can you see everywhere has been, and then when you click on it, you left click on it, it comes back to the normal. Also, you can yes, you can restore it back to the former state. So all this can be done in the ribbon menu. Now, in order to customize the ribbon menu, you are going to click on this part, okay, the empty side of the menu, and then you click on customize. In the customize window, you can add a new ribbon. Okay, you want to add a new tab, so create a new tab, and then I'll rename it to be Samis the analyst. Okay, so when I rename it now, as it is now, if I want to add any command, okay, I will simply click on the command. Let's say I want to add calculate now. I'll simply click on it. Since the icon is already here, I'll click on add. Okay, it says the command needs to be added to group, custom group, to create a group PK. Okay, so I'll click on this and then I'll add. Can you see that? So it has been added to my name as a new tab in the as a new tab to the ribbon. So if I want to maybe reset the changes, I want to undo it, I'll click on reset, and then I'll reset all customizations. Click on yes, and that is all. So that is how you can be able to customize the ribbon menu. You can do that as a user. Now the next aspect of today's video that I want to go into is the shortcut menu and the mini toolbar. The shortcut menu and the mini toolbar. Now, using the shortcut menu displays a list of commands, okay, that are relevant to a particular item. So if, let's say, this is a cell, now this is actually a cell, so the list of commands that are relevant to this particular cell, you can get them or you can access them using the shortcut menu. There are two ways you can do that. You can either right click like this, or you can press your shift and F10. So these are the two ways: right click or shift and F10. Now the shortcut menu works with the mini toolbar, okay, in the sense that if I right click on this, now this is called, just a second, okay, so let's say okay, so I cannot be able to make some certain so this is called the shortcut menu. Okay, the mini toolbar, please, the mini toolbar. This rectangular this small rectangular shape is called the mini toolbar, while this is the shortcut menu. So there are two different tools, okay, that you need to know. So you can work with them. You can cut, you can copy, you can insert new items, you can delete, you can clear the contents, filter, sort. You can even format the cell, give it a new picture, give it a new background, give it a new color, do a lot of things. You can link the data in the cell to a website and all of that. So you can do that using the shortcuts menu. And then with the mini toolbar, you can be able to make specific changes to the data in the cell. So you can change the fonts, you can change the size of the font, you can make the data to be bold, you can make it to be italic, and then you can also do changes to to the number formats and all of that. So these are some of the things you can be able to do with these toolbars. So that is where we are going to stop for today. Just know that all these that I've explained, as we move along, we are going to be making use of them. So it is very important that you know the right terminologies. It is very important that you know what they are used for. So I hope you have been able to learn something new today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.